Alright guys, so today we're doing a little different project. I've already put together a box garden and I'll insert a video, or I'm sorry, a picture here. So that's what it looks like. I think this is a 8 foot by, it's like 3'7", I believe. I'll have to remeasure, but almost 4 foot by 8 foot. So I'm using free pallets, and of course behind me what you see is an already cut pallet in half. So these pallets are 39 7/8. I'm kind of rounding it. 19 3/4 is what I've been cutting at, and it seems to work out really well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag out one of our pallets that we've got, lay it down here. You will see how I mark it and then cut it and then stand it up, and I actually cut off, if you can see right here, some pallets and pallet wood on the other side, and you'll see me cut this in just a second, but that's basically what it looks like there if you can see it. And then I just kind of buzz it off. That way this inside is flush, so when you put your liner in there, however deep it is, it at least won't have to go over this little bit and then possibly tear on these corners. Alright, so anyway, cue the time lapse. So as you can see, that was how quick it was just to do one pallet. I've already done, like I said, one box is already completed. I've only been working for maybe about 20, maybe 30 minutes at most with drink breaks. But the basic tools you're gonna need is a square, and that's just for a straight line. You can actually get a ruler or something with a straight edge that's sturdy and that'll hold up when you are drawing on wood. I've got a pencil, tape measure, and you don't have to have a chalk line, but it kind of helps, as you saw, as opposed to making and measuring every little one out. The chalk line, I was able to do one on both ends, snap it, and you're kind of done. So, oh, and a saw. All right, so cordless or not cordless, up to you, your preference. It really doesn't matter. Tools, or you can even use a handsaw for, you know, whatever. But that's basically how quick it is to make your sides. So basically a box that I have built, as you saw in the picture earlier, is only gonna be 3 pallets. That's the only thing I've used is just pallets, and most of the time pallets are free. Almost everybody's getting rid of pallets or shipping pallets, whatever, so just go by and ask if you can have some pallets or get them out of their way, or if they're sitting by the dumpster, that'd probably be a clue. But anyway, that's how fast it is to make. I'm going to show you some pictures, probably some video afterwards, or once we get our dirt poured in, which I think we're talking with a local landscaping company to see how cheap their dirt or compost is outside of making our own. But anyway, hope you enjoy it. You guys have a great one. Please like and subscribe. Here's some of the finished product. We had a lot of fun with this build. We did add supports on the top of our box gardens, as you can see, and we also added supports on the bottom sides as well. That way the soil or whatever you put inside your box garden won't kick it out on the bottom. Just make sure you used untreated woods, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If it was helpful, please like and leave a comment below. Thanks.